we're gonna put a premium cabin filter in a 2022 Nissan Rogue. It's gonna be located back here behind the glove box. Now you can lower the glove box if you want, or you can put your hand back here and try to take that door off. Just depends on how big your hand is, if you can get it back here. Which I can get mine back here. But the easy thing to do is just come over here and pop the damper off. Push the glove box in like this on both sides. Then you can lower the door, okay? It's kind of hard to do with one hand here. Hold on a second. Once you get the stoppers past here, you can just lower it down like this. And this gives you more room. We're gonna push this tab in, pull the door towards us, and then we can pull it off just like this. Okay. There's your cabin filter. Pull it out. Notice that it has an airflow direction, which is going to be down. So this is your standard Nissan cabin filter. You notice how it's really white. This is our premium cabin filter. We got it on Amazon. I'm going to have a link in the description box where you can pick up the same exact filter. The deal with the premium filter, if you look, it's black like this because it has charcoal in it. It helps with odor. Okay, so your car will be smelling a little bit more fresh just with this change here. That's the goal. Notice it has arrows here. Down is the airflow direction. Now we're gonna put the left side in first. Then you get this tab back in a little slot that's back there. Just push it on like that. Get the glove box door. And we're just gonna have to close it gently. Gonna need 2 hands for that. To get it closed, snap the damper back on here. And you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could support the channel by hitting subscribe, hitting the like button. See you again in another Nissan video.